Hey boos, I got some places to be, so let's go ahead with a quick makeup routine. And first up, we are going to be using the YSL Blur Primer. Okay, I really like it. It feels like serum on the skin, and it does what it needs to do. Period. Then I'm going to go ahead with Lancome. I'm using the 535N, and I'm new to Lancome. I think this is a really good product. I like it. It stays dry on my skin, so that's great, especially in the T-zone area. That's what I need. I struggled to find my color. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this brush for my eyebrows to brush it up, because that's how you get the best looking brows, is by brushing it up and then filling it in with a brown pencil, the darkest shade of brown that you could get. Okay, you don't want black, because black sometimes can be very intense unless you've dyed your hair very dark. Then that makes more sense. And then I like to go in with my Bobbi Brown concealer and just touch up under my eyebrows just to clean up any hair, make it look new, make it look shiny, make it look put together. And there we go. Don't forget to do the top part as well, just to give it that clean arched look. Like so. Anyway, so now I'm going to go in with this YSL bronzer, and I'm not using it as a bronzer. I'm actually using it as like a powdery foundation press, like a press that you could just put on your foundation, because guess what, sis? This bronzer is my skin tone. It's the same complexion as my skin tone, so it is not bronzing anything on me. It is just smoothing everything for me, and I love that, because look at that. Do you see the difference? Do you see it, sis? It smooths and blurs everything out. It just makes everything look so even. Look at that. Wow. Come on. So now this is what I do, and everyone's been complimenting my makeup since I've started doing this. So if you have a bronzer or something that is in a compact form that looks like a powder base, and you have like oily makeup or oily skin, or you tend to, sweat in your T-zone area, this or any type of form of this, maybe even get an actual powder foundation, go ahead and put it on just to smooth it out, because I love that look when it's like very smooth foundation on a person and it's just everything looks put together. It's about the skin, right? It's all about the skin. So now I like to put black eyeliner underneath my eye just to give my eye that pop. And then I'm going in with the YSL eyeshadow. This is a perfect idea for a gift. If you're looking to give somebody a little gift, affordable eyeshadow palette is definitely it from YSL. I think it's really cute. And then you can just add like a lipstick, since we are in that holiday season. I went in with the brown, the darkest brown in the palette, and I love it. Very demure, very cutesy, very clean, and yeah, it's my go-to palette for sure. Now I'm going to go in with the black eyeliner. Again, I like to use the Rolly, the same thing I use for the bottom of my eye to the top of my eye, because I realized that the liquid one just either makes a mess or it kind of irritates my eye, and I have sensitive skin. So I love using this YSL mascara. Very nice. It gets everything. Keeps it clean too, so that's important. So now I'm going to go in with the YSL concealer. And what I noticed about this concealer is that it dries out pretty quickly. So if you're going to use a beauty blender or a brush, go ahead and dampen that. And then blend it all out, because it would leave like dry marks on your skin if you don't do so. So the only advice I would say is if you're going to use it, just go ahead and do it immediately. If you're not going to like spray it down or mist it with maybe some setting spray or something, if you're not going to use any setting spray to blend it out, don't do it the way that I did it, because it dries down really quickly and it will kind of like leave a print or a mark on your face, and you really don't want that, because blending out your makeup is the key. Especially if you're using different products, you definitely want to blend everything out correctly so that you have a seamless look. Now I'm going to go ahead with my translucent powder. I've been using Laura Mercier's translucent powder for years. I love it, and I'm still using that. I have tried other translucent powders. I do like them as well, but I just always find myself going back to Laura Mercier, and there's nothing wrong with that. And I love this NYX brown pencil. This is from NYX again, and it is like the darkest shade of brown. And I'm just going ahead to line up my lips because I'm looking for like a neutral tone type of lip today because of the gray and everything in my eyes and stuff like that. So I just want to set that nicely with a nice nudish kind of lip. So that's what I'm going for today. And I went in with the YSL. And don't forget, all these products will be linked down below. So if you want to know the name or the particular brand or whatever I'm using to get this look, it will be down in the description. So go ahead and check that out with the link. And now I'm just adding a real blush bronzer to the skin to warm it up my tone that you can actually see. And I'm done. It's a quick, nice, basic look that does things, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We're going in with the YSL spray, okay? Because we got to smell good. Love you. Bye.